Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to add a Gmail account to your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First things first, we need to open the Mail application on your Mac. You can find it in your dock, search for it using Spotlight, or launch it from the Launchpad. Now when you open the Mail app for the very first time, you might be prompted to sign into an email provider right away. But if you're already signed into your iCloud account, which comes with your Apple account, you might not see that prompt.
No worries.
To add your Gmail account, head up to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click on Mail. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says, Add Account. Click on that. A window will pop up with a list of email providers. Simply select Google, and then click Continue. This will take you to the standard Google sign-in page. Just sign in to your Gmail account as you normally would, using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, Google will ask you which services you want to sync with your Gmail account. For this example, let's say we only want our emails to sync. So, make sure only the Mail app is ticked. Of course, you can select other options if you want to sync your contacts, calendars, and so on. When you're ready, click Done. The Mail app will now begin downloading all of your emails. This might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many emails you have in your account. You can keep an eye on the progress in the bottom left-hand corner of the Mail app. Once the syncing is complete, you'll see a new Google provider listed in the left-hand side menu of the Mail app. Click on the little drop-down arrow, and you'll see all the folders you've created in your Gmail account. And that's it. You can now start using your Gmail account right from your Mac's Mail app, just like you normally would. So, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.